Uber has been charging wait time for years now. Lyft, finally, welcome to the party. Until very recently, actually, I had no idea that I was earning wait time with Lyft for a few months now. And according to this article published by TechCrunch back in February, Lyft started charging riders for wait time fees in December, but also that those fees initially were not being passed on to the driver. They also reported that Lyft never formally announced the new wait times initially, and that they just quietly implemented them and updated their website and never promised that the money would go to drivers. This is truly mind-boggling. Who is the one waiting? The driver is the one waiting. Who is the one that should earn those wait time fees? Obviously, it should be the driver. So for a few months, those fees were not being passed on to the driver. They finally are now. Now, as far as the details of the wait time fees, on Lyft's website, they state that wait times will be charged after the driver has been waiting for more than 2 minutes. And they also have a line in here that says that if a driver arrives early, fees may apply 2 minutes after the original estimated pickup time. Original estimated pickup time, who cares? Whenever the driver arrives, that is when they arrive. So if the driver is waiting for 2 minutes, after those 2 minutes, that is when wait time should be charged. So as far as wait times, with Lyft, once you arrive after 2 minutes, you're paid for wait time up to 3 minutes past that 2 minutes, for 5 minutes total. After 5 minutes, if the passenger hasn't arrived, you can cancel and receive a cancellation fee. And with Uber, it's very similar. After you've waited 2 minutes, then you're paid wait time. You're paid wait time up to 5 minutes. So that's 7 total minutes before you can cancel on a passenger on Uber. I do prefer that with Lyft, it's only 3 minutes of wait time, and with Uber, it's 5 minutes of wait time. And honestly, with wait time, it's pennies on the dollar getting paid for it. It's better than nothing, I guess. But ideally, whenever you arrive at a pickup location, the passenger should be just waiting on the curb for you, or should be out within like a minute of you arriving. Now, as far as my actual earnings on wait time with Lyft for my last week that I drove with them, I gave 60 rides. On 8 of those rides, I had wait time. I was paid a total of $1.50 for all the wait time on those 8 rides. And here in Minneapolis and St. Paul, Lyft pays 20 cents per minute of wait time. And I found it funny that Lyft rounds down on your wait time earnings. So again, Lyft is paying for wait time now. When they originally launched wait time, they weren't passing that on to the driver, which is still unbelievable. Again, it's pennies on the dollar. It's better than nothing, I guess. But ideally, when you arrive at a passenger's pickup location, they're just ready and on the curb. But what do all of you think of this? Have you noticed your wait time earnings? Did you know that initially Lyft was not passing it on to the driver? Leave a comment below and let us know. Thanks again for watching, and drive safe. Thanks.